This is how your medical aid funnel will look. If somebody clicks on a button to check their medical aid benefits, they will land on this page and it says we'll check your optical benefits for you with no obligation to purchase. And here you can enter the patient's details. My details are entered here because it's a sticky form, but say for example, we're going to say Tyrion Lannister, and we're going to put the number in as 086111111. Just bring any number here, and we can change this to Tyrion at 1.com. That's just a made up email address, and then we're gonna do 7306229, whatever the ID number is. For the date of birth, they would have to choose the month, they would have to choose the year, and they'd have to choose the date, and that would come up here. But they would have to enter their medical aid details, discovery, and the medical aid number. 111222333, for example. And if it's for a dependent, then they will enter the dependent's details in here. And if it isn't, they would not enter anything at all. If they want to write a note, they can write test, and they will submit the form. Once they submit the form, they will get to another page where it just says, thank you for submitting your form. Someone from our team will get back to you shortly with your optical benefits. And there's just a picture here. So that's the user journey on how the patient will see the form and submit the form.